pure muscle meets cutting-edge technology. The 2026 Yamaha VMAX V4 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement of raw, unfiltered power. Can Yamaha's iconic power cruiser maintain its dominance in the modern era? Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we explore the machines that push boundaries. Design. The VMAX has always been about intimidation, and the 2026 model doesn't disappoint. Aggressive lines flow from the massive air scoops to the wide rear tire, creating a predatory stance. The exposed V4 engine takes center stage, showcasing the mechanical beauty beneath. LED lighting adds a modern edge while maintaining that brutish character. This is a bike that demands attention at every stoplight. Performance. The legendary 1,679 cubic centimeters V4 engine has been refined for even more visceral acceleration. Yamaha's V-Boost system delivers explosive mid-range punch that pins you to the seat. The power is intoxicating yet surprisingly manageable thanks to modern traction control. The chassis keeps this heavyweight stable through aggressive riding, while the upgraded suspension handles both cruising and spirited runs with confidence. Features and technology. Technology enhances rather than overwhelms. The full-color TFT display provides clear information at a glance with customizable ride modes tailoring power delivery to your preference. Cornering ABS and adjustable traction control add safety without diminishing the raw experience. Cruise control makes highway miles more comfortable, and the quick shifter enables clutchless gear changes. Premium components throughout reflect Yamaha's commitment to quality. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha VMAX V4 proves that muscle cruisers still have a place in the modern world. What's your ultimate power cruiser? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this review revved your engine, hit that like button, share it with fellow enthusiasts, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more comprehensive coverage. Ride hard out there.